So today we're gonna clean up inside this net where the ruins of my great-grandfather's building used to be, house. So last time I cleaned that entrance down there and under the trees there, and I did do these parts at different times, and including this path over here to reach the other side, but I didn't do this one. I mean, I did do this bit here, but not this opening over there. And that opening, someone has done it since last time I was here, so that wasn't me. I only did the area, so I'm not sure what's going on there. They're passing through, but I wasn't there 2 weeks ago, so not sure. Anyway, so today we are going to enter here, and last time, as I was saying, I cleaned just the very entrance here and underneath the trees so that I could actually enter. But so we want to see what we can find, because oh, someone stepped on it already, so some people have been passing here. Wow, look at that. Okay, so I've been lucky so far because I've not been hitting metal nets or rock, but look at this, all in between the grass there is either bricks or rocks. So I'm not gonna be as lucky because this is gonna be very tricky. Metal stuff over there. There is a well over here. Wow, look at that. That's cool. So yeah, well, the well is easy not to hit, but anything that is mixed up here, it's gonna be a problem. And also, I can't access over there. I have to show it to you from the net because there's no way I can access anything here. Look at that. It's just all branches. So my tool will be good here. Oh, this one's a bit sick, isn't it? Do we need to cut it, or do we need to replant the top part? I'm not sure. Well, I'll leave this for another time. I'll try to clear the area to pass through there. Well, people have been throwing... What is this? It's like ice cream things. What the fuck? A whole lot of them. What is this? I have no idea, but it's full of them. Wow, so many. It's like, I don't know, wipes? What the fuck are they? Anyway, as you can see here, underneath, there is trash. So I need to clear those branches in order to pass over there. Okay. Let's go to the other side. And this is pretty cool. This tree is suffering against it, but how many, honestly, how many fig trees? This one has to be the oldest one. It's the thickest one. So yeah, these are the branches I was trimming last time. I was full of woods and I managed not to touch the net. See, it's all bent here. So usually I just go very close, but not quite close enough to touch it because the blade is gonna need resharpening otherwise. So here I did just a little bit. And so yeah, we need to go beyond this tree. Oh, here there is a depression, okay. So we need to go beyond this tree over there. I know, it's pretty tall. In some parts it's actually taller than the roofs. Also very taller than me here, and I'm 5'8.5" or 5'8". I'm getting older. So yeah, these are, especially the ones in the back, taller than me. Even these ones in the front here. But there is stuff even taller on the other side. is with the yellow flowers over there? I'm not sure. We're getting there slowly. Great. Well, this is for another time. There's gonna be a big chunk. But so far, I've cleaned a bit of net on this side and just a little bit here under the trees. So this is what we did today inside and over there. Can't see anything. But yeah, we cleaned this bit. It's a bit better. Obviously not perfect, but and a little bit here inside the trees we cleaned. But yeah, this big chunk is for another time. Next time we'll finish inside here, inside the net there. But I noticed something that wasn't here 2 weeks ago. I didn't open this passage, for example. I only cleared up to here, this round, so I'm not sure who. So they pass through here. I'm not sure what's going on here. Where does this take you? Nowhere? Oh, okay. Another jungle. So yeah, it is an effing jungle. When am I gonna finish this? These things are way taller than me. See, this bit I didn't do. So, and it's inside my great-grandfather's land. But how? It looks much better already. I know, it doesn't seem much, but slowly. I get tired easily. I have a number of issues. Yeah, I have a number of issues. Autoimmune and fibromyalgia and, you know. But we're getting there, slowly. Very slowly. Let's have a look at the cleanup. I mean, yeah, just the rough part. Yeah, I have to cut this branch over here. That's better. Wow, so many rocks. Yeah, it's definitely better. Just this over here. This corner. Clear up all that space. Next time we'll go further. That's this one I cleaned. That's still some work to do. But yeah. So, yeah. See, little by little it's getting cleaned.